As far as choosing WellSpan, as opposed to a place in Maryland, which is where I live, I like it here. I feel like I am a part of the group. I feel valued here, and sometimes you don't find that in other places. As outpatient therapy, we do 45-minute sessions one-on-one. Every now and then we will do a therapy group, like a pragmatic group, to work on social situations and eye contact, topic maintenance. But overall, like 90% or more of our caseload, we do 45 minutes individual, which is something that you don't get in many places, especially in a school setting or something like that. We do have some typical children who just have, your typical articulation errors. So we have more of an easier patient, but we also have very challenging patients. And some things, sometimes we get patients in and they have syndromes, and you have to really look and research and say, well, what is that syndrome about? And, so it definitely keeps you up on a lot of research, and it's really nice. But we have a lot of different cases here. WellSpan offers several areas for growth in my profession. One of the areas is just with the variety of services here in the hospital. Like, I do see some inpatients upstairs, so working with those patients and learning the new things that they're doing with different therapy techniques. WellSpan is, with having the NICU here, I'm doing a lot of things in the NICU, swallow studies with the NICU. So professionally, I'm really able to grow and experience a lot of things that I may not be able to experience in another setting. If we have a child who comes in and they're not talking, and by the time we're done and we're ready to discharge the patient, and they're talking and they're age appropriate and everything's really well, the parents are just so appreciative, and it's really nice to hear that. So we get a lot of parent appreciation. I work 4 10-hour days, which is nice. A lot of us therapists do that here in the outpatient pediatrics. But if I had to work 5 days, they would be flexible to do that as well. And and when a time does arise that I need to be out, whether it's my own health or my daughter's health or whatever the case may be, they've always been very flexible. I have not had any difficulties. WellSpan offers, through a program of ERA, they offer trips throughout the world, actually, cruises and vacations and things. And I actually did a bus trip to New York, so that was really neat that WellSpan offers those things. And so a bunch of my friends and family went to New York right after Thanksgiving and had a nice time there. I haven't met a single person here, not limited to the therapists, but staff, nursing, doctors, everybody has been so friendly, so nice. It's a very rewarding job to have here at WellSpan. The people are very friendly, the patients are great, and I feel very fulfilled here at WellSpan.